Love is a thing which purifies the heart. Love brings the change in human being, and everything seems to be mesmerizing that time. Everybody searches for a true love, but very little get the genuine one. Today's world is full of competition and ego, where the love gets a fade away. But still, they manage to get their side for each other. Martin and Sarthak was one of them. Seems to be a mismatch, right? Let us know about them and their love. Martin, a girl of 26 years, was the daughter of her single dad. Martin's mother left her when she was just 3. From then till now, Martin's dad used to look after her. She was extremely self-obsessed and loved to explore the world. She was from abroad. When she used to be in her school days, she met with many boys throughout her journey, but did not get the right one. Ultimately, she loses all the interest she had in love. She did not believe in true love and loved to rule alone. Here, her journey begins. Her aim was to explore the entire world with her dad, but dad was too old to take her out. So she decided one day to take her path on her own. She started from then. She was obsessed about the place named Kolkata, City of Joy, and one of her dreams was to get into the place and know its history. When she came to Kolkata, she met with a man who was passionately in love with Kolkata, and his job was to help other tourists for exploring the joyous place. His name was Sarthak. He was a pure Bengali boy having all the criteria of tradition. He was a pure-hearted man with a kind soul. His father died 3 years back. After that, he chose his career. For him, tour guide is not a man who will only guide the others, but will recall the history of the place, which makes the place extremely nostalgic. Martin and Sarthak were unknown strangers. They were from the different poles of the globe. Sarthak guided her throughout exploring Kolkata and also took her to his home as she wanted to go through the tradition of Bengali family. Martin got extremely interested in Kolkata and wanted to learn architect in his office. Sarthak worked with her for at least 2.5 years and were in love with each other. Martin almost forgot her past experiences and realized that love is not the same. It is not that bad. They decided to get back to their works after they get engaged. Kolkata, the city of joy, brought the two hearts together. They were happy and leading the best life they could. But one day, she tested a positive report. She got cancer and it was unfortunately the last stage of her survival. She believed in her partner and made him realize more about her love to him. Sarthak was shocked with her news and tried everything to get her life back in place. They consulted many doctors but went in vain. Nothing worked. Sarthak did not want the entire life crying for her. He left his job and their life was not the same as earlier. Martin helped her out, made him strong and accept the reality. She collected some paper pieces and write in each letter from her name, where M stands for miss you, A stands for I'm always with you, R stands for remember our love for each other, T stands for true love exists till now, I stands for I love you, and N stands for never lose hope. It almost referred to all the words that was needed to Sarthak after such an heartbreaking news. The box contained their anniversary ring, and she handovers it to her husband and said, "Keep the box. It will remind you of me, the love of my life, the powerful Superman. Don't get upset. I am all yours, and I'm always with you, no matter what." She died just after 4 days. After she left, Sarthak used to follow whatever his wife said him about them. He was all alone, and his mother also left him after 2 years of his wife's death. He managed to get back to work exploring Kolkata with its tradition. He visited and explored almost every streets of Kolkata and his office, where everything seems to take him to the flashback of his best days. He used to be busy with his schedule sometimes, but never forget his wife. He still prays for him to God to take him up to his wife so that they could spend the time just as earlier. He literally wished to go back to his happy days. Maybe somewhere God was in search of it. He also had a lungs cancer and died just after 2.5 years. Throughout his life, he proved to be a man